How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can save time in editor with the select filter. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that you have the select filter on. Basically, it's going to be inside the pause button. Click select filter, and from there, you want to navigate through the delete button, and then you want to click on the you want to select the custom delete button, but before you do that, you have to select a block first. Click delete, click on custom, and now we could simply select the things that we want selected easily. Now, normally to do this, you just want to click on the edit button, select your things, and basically from there, it will only select that specific blocks that we have highlighted. So of course, you could then maybe do something like copy and paste, and then basically from there, you will be able to move this freely according to your own preference. But to edit out the custom button, of course, you could just navigate back to edit. Let's select another one, maybe this one. And then let's click on delete, click on custom. And then if we highlight or select our level right here, it should only go ahead and select that specific block. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.